Right now, the sentiment for mobile sits at an unchanged plus 0.00, with momentum also flat at plus 0.00. What stands out is the presence of 17 semantic clusters, suggesting there's a lot of conversation happening under the surface, even while sentiment and momentum remain static. This could indicate that while the overall sentiment is neutral, specific topics within those clusters might be gaining traction. For instance, if you're developing a mobile app and want to understand user perceptions about new features, our API can provide nuanced insights, helping you identify what's resonating, even when the overall sentiment doesn't budge. Ready to dig deeper? Check out our docs at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.